Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this introvert test filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. To get this effect on TikTok, what you have to do, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and search for introvert. Okay, the first one with 244k videos, tap there. Okay, you got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for introvert filter test. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect name, tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, suppose you can't see the effect on the top, you can tap on any of this video. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name, it's in yellow, tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, there you go, you got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from your For You page, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon, just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys, likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you on the next video. Okay, and if I have to sit, obviously I'll sit here. Okay, so I have to tap on the record button first. Okay, then obviously this one it less contact. Okay, now maybe here, but this looks private, maybe somebody will come. Okay, this one in this corner, obviously here. Now try to stay in the middle, stay in the corner, definitely here, stay in this corner. Now where, come on, where, here, better. Okay,